you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Merrier box for July. Do you want to see what is inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so July's Merrier box just arrived. My last two boxes were not the greatest, but the one before was really good. So I'm hoping they go back on the really good side. We'll have to see. It sounds like there's some kind of liquid in here. I hear like whoop, whoop, whoop. When I move it, I'm like, I don't know what's going on in there. So let's go ahead and see what is in here. If you guys do not know, the Merrier box is $29 a month with $6 shipping. So basically $35 a month. And it's all the pampering goodness you need delivered to your doorstep every month. Keep them for yourself, share them with your bestie, or give them as a gift to somebody special. What's in the Merrier box? Merrier is a luxury-inspired lifestyle monthly subscription box that features full and sample size products from skincare, makeup, jewelry, stationery, snacks, tea, to everything in between that appeals to the modern day woman. And again, the last 2 months were not so good. So I think I ended up getting a 6-month subscription because this is now my 4th box. So I have 2 more to go, and then I'm probably not going to be renewing this company, but we shall see. So there is a card, and it is "You Glow, Girl. Prep, cleanse, and pamper your amazing body, July 2019. And on the back, it does go over the products that are inside. There's a tissue paper with a little heart that says a thank you on it. So let's go ahead and see what we've got going on this month, you guys. Okay, so there we go. Right on top, I'm seeing a Bath & Body Works product, lavender and sandalwood with natural lavender oils. I cannot stand the smell of lavender, so I will go ahead and put this in a future giveaway. But it says Bath & Body Works Mist, $14.50. It says $14 on here. And yeah, so there is that product right there. Again, lavender and sandalwood. And I'm not gonna spray it or anything because I don't like the scent of lavender. So I know it'll just give me an instant headache. So I'd rather just set that aside for somebody who does like lavender, or who can give it to somebody who does like lavender, because that's not me. That's not me. So then everything else is like, ow, something's poking me. What is that, an earring back that just poked out? There's like some metal thing that's poked out right here that almost went in my finger. Let's see. Okay, ow. Yeah, I think those are earring backs. Okay, so let me just start with those because those are poking me. They're going right through this bag. See? All right, let's see what these look like here. And there is a there's not a litter. There's a little dum-dum in here that is sour apple, and then there's 2 loose ones that was inside that package as well. So there's three dum-dums. What are you trying to say? And this is, whoa. Those are earrings. For one, these are heavy. This is metal. I'm sorry, these are ugly. I would not wear these. Look at them. They have like all this chunky, like, I have no clue, but what in the world? I don't think, and these are heavy. Who would want these on their ears? And it's just weird because they're just put on this cardstock that's not meant to be for earrings. And then they have like this little glue sticky part here with the yellow ribbon tied around them. So I'm not sure, but these are metal and they're heavy. I don't know who would wear these, but I'm not going to wear them. That's for sure. I don't think I would wear those. They look like coral, like, I'm not sure. What is that supposed to be? But they're heavy. I mean, no, I'm not wearing those. It says, let me find these. Luxe by Marrier statement earrings, $9. Okay, there's that. Next we have is a Sormy. It looks like it is a powder brush. $901, because that's all it says on there. 901 powder brush, $4. I'm sure this is probably $1, but $4, no problem. There's that. Next we have this, I think this is like a little, you hold it like this and clean your brushes. I have a big one, so I don't need this smaller one, so I'll probably just put this in a giveaway, maybe when you guys can get some use out of it. But there is a brush cleaner, but this is not on here. This is not listed on there. Then we have C'est La Vie Moisturizing Body Lotion plus Argan Oil. C'est La Vie Argan Oil Body Lotion, $12 for that little guy. $12. Let's see what it smells like. So there's no safety seal. I mean, I don't really smell anything, but it does feel nice. I mean, lotion is lotion. I love lotion, so I won't ever complain about getting any type of skincare. Then here's Real Chemist Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser for a smooth, soft, clean start. 0.5 fluid ounces. Real Chemist Cleanser, $6. There's that. And then the last item in here, Jaden Madden Facial Oils Glow Rose de May something, olive something or other. 1 ounce, a glow facial oil. And this is valued Jaden Madison Glow Facial Oil, $55. Whoa. If that's $55, then that definitely pays more than the entire box, which would make it definitely worth it. So there we go. I don't want to open this because I don't know. I have so many different facial oils and stuff like that going on right now. So I don't know what I want to do with this, but for $55, that would definitely make up for it. So this one, I could see it being better than last month. We do have a Bath & Body Works product. We have this, which I'm sure this was probably clearanced out. That's probably how they got their hands on it. I'm not quite sure, but at least it's a Bath & Body Works product. So that is really cool. It's just a scent that I don't care for. So I will go ahead and set that aside for one of you guys. This glowing oil, I'm not sure if I will use it or not, but at least if it is $55, then that is an amazing deal because this box is only $35 after shipping. So there's that. Then you have the little body lotion, the little cleanser, the brush, the little brush cleanser, and then these earrings. So again, this would pay for the entire box, so I wouldn't be really mad at these other items if that's the case. So what do you guys think? Do you think this was better than the last 2 months? I mean, I think it was better, but I think it still could have been, I don't know. I still think it could be better. I've seen it better. So I don't know. I just don't know what to do, but I don't think, you guys, I'm going to renew. I still now have 2 more months, so we'll see what happens the next 2 months, and then I'll probably be saying c'est la vie to the Marrier box. So that is everything, you guys. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you think. To me, if this is really $55, which it's marked there as it's $55, then this would definitely pay for the entire box, and you can probably try out a good facial oil. So I'm kind of excited about that, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. This will last me not too long because I really like body lotion. So there's that. And yeah, so comment down below, you guys, let me know, do you think this was a better box? Do you see the value in this month's box? Again, it's only $35. This being $55, I could definitely see a value, but is it a good box is the question. So yes, I think they stepped up their game from last month. Yes, I think this box is better than last month. There's just a few products, like I wouldn't have put these in there. I definitely wouldn't have put these in there. I would have chose something else maybe, but I'm not the box owner, so there's that. So again, comment down below, let me know. Your positive interaction with me means the world. If you're not already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button so you'll see the future videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.